Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. I want you to know na doon po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, doon tayo nagla-live ha. So, this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong readings na ito. You may resonate sa konti lang, no? Hindi sa lahat ng readings. Take what's only yours. So, Gemini, simulan na natin. Ang ganda. Your card showed up. So, which means that this message is really for you. Ngayon, ang tanong mo sa relationship na ito, kailan ko makukuha ang para sa akin? Which means the emotion, which means the relationship, um, the communication, yung expression, no, ng love. Kasi I feel like there might be some age gap, no, dito din sa relationship na ito. It may be, or this relationship may be a May December love affair, pwedeng hindi rin naman, kaunti lang yung gap. Or if we're not talking about age or numbers, we might be talking about the maturity, no? For a few numbers of you, baka sinasabi nyo, ay oo nga, no? I'm dealing with a twin flame connection. So kaya um, medyo mahirap, medyo challenging kasi hindi, pwedeng hindi alam ng kabilang party, ng person mo, no? So, you want to change the course of this relationship. I feel like medyo pinapabilis natin ang takbo. So sa mga singles and may mga crushes, siguro nasabi na natin no, itong ating emotion. Nakapagbigay na tayo ng interest, no, nakapagbigay na tayo ng information na ay oo, may gusto ko sa'yo. No? Um, Inaantayin natin yung response. And I feel like we are communicating with this person through internet. You're using technology, no? Pwedeng nagkakilala kayo through an app or doon kayo nag-uusap, messengers, WhatsApp, what have you, no? No labels. I feel like medyo ganun din na kapag sabi na tayo, nag-aantay lang tayo kasi meron nang nangyayari. So there's mutual understanding. Kaya nga nagkaroon na kayo ng situationship. Gusto mong actually nag-aantay ka no? To turn the table or to turn things around na kailan ba kami magkakaroon ng commitment, ng relation, kailan ko ma-experience yung romantic relationship. Kasi itong nangyayari sa amin is more of um, mutual understanding, right? So if you're already in a relationship or married couple, ang nakikita natin dito, medyo gusto natin ibalik kung paano tayo nagsimula. Kasi hindi naman kayo magiging couple or hindi mo siya masasagot or hindi kayo magiging kayo kung ang relationship kung hindi siya nagpakita ng maganda, kung hindi siya nagpakita ng maayos no na pagtrato, pagsuyo no sa iyo. So what I am seeing in here is medyo gusto natin sandali, pwede na ba natin ibalik kung paano tayo lumalabas dati, kung paano tayo nagko-communicate before kasi parang naging kampante, no? At hindi umuurong itong relationship na ito. When it comes to a third party relationship, I feel like medyo matagal na ito. So, you may be the third party or you may be, the yung kabila. But I am seeing in here, you're waiting na maging two-way street itong relationship, no? For just me and my person, no? Gusto kong normal itong relationship namin. Whether alam ko na yung pinasok ko or nagulat na lang ako na dito pala ako sa ganitong situation, I don't know. No? Ang gusto ko lang is masabi sa akin kung ako ba, kung ako, kung siya. Magiging masakit para sa akin, but then of course, kailangan ko tanggapin. Pero ayoko na may ka-share, no? Um, with the Page of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, Three of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. Three of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Wands and the Judgment. So, ang nakikita natin dito, we are actually looking at nag-aano ba tayo? Nagpa-plan ba? I feel like merong plan sa atin itong ating person. Ngayon pa lang, there might be a celebration that's gonna happen. For a few numbers of you, baka either out of town, no? There might be some travels in here, uh, or out of the country, sana all. Pero your person is looking at something and I think na nag-iipon ito, no? To make bawi ba? Kasi what I am seeing in here is I think meron itong gagawin sa celebration na ito. This is not a holiday. I think that this has something to do with a birthday. I think that will be your birthday, kaya ngayon pa lang is nagpa-plan na ito. There might be a surprise na hindi mo akalain, no? Singles or sa mga may crushes and no labels. I feel like bukod sa gift or travel or invitation, I feel like this is the commitment na inaantay mo. I think that this will be ito yung plan, no? Pero I think na magba-manifest itong commitment or mag-start na itong mag-flow into a committed relationship by on or before, no, your birthday. Close to that day, close to that celebration. If you are in a relationship or married couple, I feel like meron siyang pinag-iipunan na narinig niya yung gusto mo, yung sinabi mo, yung suggestions, yung ay ibalik naman natin yung dati. I think pinag-iipunan ito, no? Chances are dito papasok yung out of town or out of the country. It doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan magarbo, pero kailangan pag-ipunan, kailangan paghandaan. Hindi lang pera ang pinag-iipunan dito with the Ten of Pentacles. Also the courage, energies. Ba't kailangan ng energy? I don't know, no? Baka kailangan niyang mapagod or kailangan niyong magpagod. Ayan. I feel like meron itong ibibigay kahit papano, no? So there's material things that this person's gonna give you, whether this is katulad ng sinabi ko, gift, something that you can hold, no? Third party situation, I feel like this will be the start wherein magiging klaro sa iyo yung ang magiging sagot, and I feel like this gift will be given to you because you deserve it, no? Na okay, I will be focusing on our relationship, no? So this is your reading. Tingnan natin yung zodiac sign, pero bago yan, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, dun po ako nagla-live, no? So, pwede kayong sumali doon. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. No? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Na doon po yung information, name, number, amount per question, QR code for your reference. And take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Taurus, Gemini. Baka kapwa Gemini ito. Virgo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Capricorn, Libra, So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.